Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Garten of Banban step by step. Begin by confirming your device meets basic requirements and has enough storage. Next, enable required permissions and update your OS to the latest stable build. Use official launchers or trusted sources to download game files and avoid unknown mods. Finally, follow install prompts carefully and restart your device to finalize setup for best performance and reliability. Start the download process by visiting the approved platform and selecting the correct package for your device. Pause other downloads to maintain bandwidth and avoid corruption. After download completes, scan the file with a trusted antivirus and confirm checksum if provided. Then run the installer using administrator or elevated privileges when prompted. Follow on-screen prompts, accept necessary permissions, and allow the installation to complete before launching the game. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep your snacks safe when playing or traveling, perfect for long sessions between levels. They nest neatly, seal tightly, and cut down on spills during intense moments. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. When installing, choose a clear folder and avoid special characters in the path to prevent launch issues. Grant required permissions and install any suggested runtimes like DirectX or visual redistributables. If the installer offers optional content, add only what you need to reduce conflicts. Create a restore point or backup saves so you can revert changes. After installation, launch once to let the game create default configuration files, and then tweak settings for smooth gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.